makeup and brush it along black hair. And when she asked me, do I look alright? And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. And when she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's not time to go home now. I've got an aching head. So I gave her the car keys and she helped me way to my bed. And then she asked me, as I turn off the lights, oh my darling, you are wonderful tonight. I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. See the babies, I wanna be the one. Thank you so much. That was from Eric Clapton.